everyone, welcome to Dizola Designs, and look what I just received. I received my first order of Hobbii yarn. I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce that. This yarn is from Denmark and it took about 3 weeks to get here. It went on a world tour, traveled through Germany and France, and now is here in California. I'm super excited to share this with you. I just received it. So let's open it. And it comes in this huge plastic bag. So it's kind of cool. Oh my God, I'm so excited to get this yarn. This is so beautiful. You see that? So this is great yarn for the amigurumi projects. This is cotton 8/4 and it's called Farmer's Yarn. It is 50 grams, 170 meters. This color is, it's 100% cotton. It feels so soft. And you can see the size of the crochet hook is 2.5 to 3. So it is super thin. This is great for, someone asked if I did, what did they ask? Oh, if I did jewelry. This actually would be really cool to do crochet jewelry or little doilies, or even, like I said, those cute animal projects. This is color 64. It's kind of like a fuchsia hot pink color. So cute. I'm so excited. So we have that one, and then this is, I think I got all the same yarn, the 8/4 yarn. They were having a sale. You know, I love my sales. I'm trying to find the color of this one. Oh, it doesn't have the color name. It just has the color number. This is color 73, and it's a beautiful, like, sky blue color. I'm so excited for these, you guys. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Here is, this is a beautiful gray color. It has a little bit, like just a tint of brown. I don't know if you guys can see that. That is super cute. I'm even shaking. I'm so excited. This is a gorgeous true yellow. I ordered a lot of these because it's really hard to find cotton yarn in these colors too, like a true yellow, a true red, a true green. I don't know why they don't make them here in the States in the cotton colors. I'm so excited. I'm thinking of all the awesome little projects I'm gonna make. So this is color 61. This is like a true yellow. Okay. And then here is, ooh, that's a nice color. This is color 60. This is like, I would say, a brick color. That's really awesome. And then here is a beautiful taupe color, taupe teal color. Oh, I have this gorgeous orange. Wow. I am thinking like all of the cute things that I can make with this. I got a lot of new books. Here's a really nice red. That's really cool. Again, these are from Hobbii. They are all imported. Look at that brown. Wow. I got a lot of cute books, the amigurumi books, the little character, the Japanese characters. I know I'm pronouncing that name wrong, and it's so funny to me because here's some more gray. I've never heard anyone say that word properly. Or like, I don't even think I've ever heard anyone say that word. pink. There's a lot of cute macarons. Look at this. I got this whole bag is filled with all of these skeins. Here's a really cute lavender color, like an eggplant. And then here is a baby blue. And what else did I get? A teal color. Oh, I do have, and I got this really cute pink color too. And then I have this gorgeous green here. Holy smokes. So, you know, I'm going to have a giveaway with all of these. I just need to figure out how many I have and what I have and take them all out. Look at how beautiful that is. Here's black. So I just thought I'd share this with you all. I was so excited to get this. I've been waiting for this for so long. Here's a really pretty salmon color. I don't know if I've shown that. Yes, I have, but this is super gorgeous. And then I also got this hook. I forgot I've got that one. This is an Addy hook. So if I like it, I'm going to do a review on this. It's a 5.0. This is another one from Denmark. If I like this, I'll order more and then I'll do giveaways on this too. So I just thought I would share this with all of you. I'm super excited. I'm kind of overwhelmed right now. But there you have it. I will put together a giveaway for you all, but I hope everyone's doing well, and I hope to see everyone in the next video. Bye.